Isolation. Professional molecular diagnostics requires automated solutions. One of its elements is the acquisition of nucleic acids in the extraction process. MedSun offers a wide range of diagnostic equipment, including Bioneer systems for the magnetic isolation of DNA and RNA from various types of clinical materials, swabs, blood, serum, or tissue samples. Nucleic acid isolation is carried out in specialized laboratories in dedicated rooms. The process is coordinated by qualified and properly secured personnel. The presented Bioneer system is efficient and enables fast and effective isolation of up to 96 samples at the same time. It is possible to modify the number of tested samples up to 64 or 32, depending on the current needs, as well as the possibility of adapting other devices with a capacity of 16 and 48 pieces. The short isolation time of 30 to 40 minutes is another advantage that is reflected in the acceleration of the diagnostic process. The apparatus operates on the basis of an optimized extraction protocol adapted to the type of isolated material. The equipment, thanks to its compact size, increases the efficiency of space, so it can be installed in both smaller and larger laboratory rooms. An uncomplicated and intuitive operation is carried out by the user using the built-in 7-inch touchscreen. The device enables effective and safe operation, and the built-in UV system protects the samples against potential contamination, ensuring highly efficient extraction of nucleic acids. The system works on the basis of compatible isolation kits containing a complete set of reagents to carry out the process. The set includes test plates with numbers from 1 to 7 for a specific purpose, lyophilizate with proteinase, and plastic covers for magnetic rods. The manual part of the insulation process is carried out in a BSL-2 laminar chamber. There, the samples and other components of the kit are marked with a code. The numbered test plates contain the buffers and reagents necessary for isolation. Each plate has 96 reaction cells, but you can use 64 or 32 cells depending on your needs. All plates are secured with a foil that is fully or partially torn depending on the number of reaction cells in use. Before placing the individual components of the isolation kit in the apparatus, the proteinase should be prepared by dissolving it in 1,250 microliters of molecular water and vortexing. Then, to the specified number of cells, 32, 64, 96, on plate number 1 add 20 microliters liquefied proteinase, 5 microliters IC internal control, and 200 microliters of samples. The isolator allows you to create a list of tested samples by entering barcodes. Place the plates in the apparatus according to specific order on numbered blocks. Then we put plastic covers on the magnetic rods. We select the isolation program and start the apparatus. After completing the program, the isolated nucleic acids are in the elution buffer in the plate marked with the number 7. We use the obtained eluate in the next stage, preparation of the PCR reaction.